Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks we'll be trading tomorrow. First stock is Ajanta Pharma. If you see, it has been at the same level since I guess more than 2 weeks. So chances of this breaking and moving higher is high. It has high probability. One more thing that supports this is other pharma stocks have moved comparably little higher than this. So the probability of this moving higher in tomorrow's session is little high. Now, so we can buy this stock in tomorrow's session. Next stock will be Kotak Mahindra Bank. If you see, it has tried twice or thrice to go up, but every time there is a rejection and it comes down. It comes back to the same level. It comes back. So in tomorrow's session, I would like to sell Kotak Mahindra Bank. And also one more thing that supports is it's near 1300 level. So if this number is broke, it will go down at little higher or faster pace. So I would like to sell Kotak Mahindra Bank in tomorrow's session. Again, next stock is L&T. Uh, it is also similar to Kotak Mahindra Bank. If you see, it has tried to go up multiple times and then it has got a rejection and again back to the same level. And even here, it is around 900 level. So if it breaks 904 or 905, I'll sell that. And at 900 level, it can move. It can give a good down move. It can give a fast down move. So I'll expect sell off or sell not sell off. A selling pressure tomorrow in L&T in first session at least. Now, if we go to Pidilite, if you see Pidilite, it has been moving consistently up. If you ignore the red candles also, there's a consistent up move there. If for the first time, if you see, if you draw a trend line, there's a steep trend line here. Okay, after breaking this steep trend line, it has made this hammer-like candle. Even more bearish candle, not hammer. It's more bearish candle. So chances are that it will also continue in tomorrow's session. So we will also sell this in tomorrow's session. Again, Reliance. It has been in a range since 1 week. After it has made an all-time high, and then it has been consistently making an all-time high and coming down, all-time high and coming down. So, and for the first time, once it has broke 2300 level, for the first time it has closed below 2300 level. So in tomorrow's session, I will expect at least a small down move. So I will be ready to sell Reliance in tomorrow's first session. If we see SRF is almost similar to Ajanta Pharma, but because it has been trying to break 4400 level, it has tried at least twice or thrice or even 4 times, but it has been rejected. Today it has broke 4400 level and it has closed near to that level. So in tomorrow's session, if it is opening near 4400 level, I would prefer to buy this and at least for a target of 20 to 30 points. Now, if we see what we are planning in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in Nifty, if you see, after this big fall and a small fall here, it has been in a sharp up move. Okay, so and after that first time it has closed below the previous day's low. First time the closing is below the previous day's low. So I will be ready to sell Nifty tomorrow if it breaks 11,500 level with a stop loss of 20 points. If it opens gap up, I will wait for the price action and see in which direction market is deciding to go, and then I'll take a trade. Okay, now if you see the candle, it is little more bearish. Okay, now if we see in Bank Nifty, it is not that bearish compared to Nifty. Here, if we see, similar to Kotak Mahindra Bank and other banks, 22,300 level has been tested multiple times. It has been tested multiple times. So, sorry, 22,200 level has been tested multiple times and it has been respecting 22,000 level. So what the chances tomorrow are, if it breaks 22,250, also I will go for a sell and then I'll be trailing my SL with 100 point SL. I'll be trailing it downwards, and if it breaks 22,000, it will give a sharp down move. Now if we see, it has been in a range today. Okay, that's the reason the planning is to sell. If it moves, if it breaks in this way, because a nifty, if you see, it has been in a trend, but bank nifty, it was in a trend, but it was a range bound trade, a trend. So the chances are that if it breaks 2250, it can give a sharp down move. So that's it guys for today. Please like, subscribe, and share the channel. Thanks a lot.